Good afternoon, you guys. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. And today, I'm at my mom's house. Got some stuff in the washer and dryer. Just relaxing right now. Landon over here playing his tablet. What are you playing?
I'm playing Car Factory and I could finna get a different car.
TJ over here with an attitude. He was collaring. This TJ picture, he was collaring. Tone collaring different stuff. Yeah. Now he won't decide to get up play ball. But yeah, he was over here collaring. Washing some, doing laundry, washing some sheets and drying them. So yeah. And the kids just coloring on their tablets or whatever. Yeah, so. Go ahead and color. You gotta look at me. Yes, but that's not. Good morning. I'm cooking breakfast this morning. Cooking some bacon so far. I'm gonna cook some sausage and some pancakes. I don't think I'm cooking eggs, so right now I'm cooking bacon. It's looking good. I have added some sausage to it now. About to start taking the bacon off, flipping the sausage over. I got some pancakes up here now. I put some more up here. I'm at least cook about 12 pancakes. 12 now. But I already cooked kids' breakfast this morning. And yeah, it's like a chill day for me because it's so hot outside and stuff. So the kids in here playing. They tearing up my house, Lord. I told them they got to bring the toys in here. I'm not going from room to room watching them right now. Because I really don't feel like it. I'd rather for them to bring it all in the living room. Because half the time their toys be up under the bed. So I don't feel like moving no bed. So I told them to bring the stuff in here to play with. So yeah. I got a slight headache. I've been having a headache off and on. Like for the past few days. But anyway, I'll be alright. So yeah, Kayla playing with her Barbie dolls and stuff. They got the beds and the thing to go with it. These stoves and stuff they playing with in here. Yeah, so the girls playing with all their stuff. They got so much mess. All this mess would have been up on the bed by the time they finished. So I told them to bring it in here in the living room. So they playing with the stove, Barbie dolls with the bunk beds, and all this mess. And the boys, they over here playing with their trucks and what? All this mess. So yeah, this one I'm doing today on my chill day. Yeah, they destroying my house. But it's fine. They start school next Monday, the 28th. So, yeah, I got to post their school stuff what they got so far. They got some clothes, and their father went getting them some school supplies and stuff yesterday. We got to get the shoes and some more clothes and some more school supplies because he did Kayla and Logan's school supplies yesterday. I didn't even go with them. Yeah, so, yeah.
Come on, big boy. You play with the boy stuff.
What you playing, Tone? That's your baby.
No, it's mine.
What happened to all the babies over here? They just laying on the bed.
Yeah, they're tired.
What you doing, TJ? I'm about to redo Kayla 4 braids that I got in her hair for now, because towards the weekend I'm gonna wash their hair because they go to school on Monday. So right now I'm gonna just put 4 braids in it. This how it's looking right now, so I'm gonna redo it. So yeah. I just finished Kayla hair. Pretty girl. Yeah, I just finished her hair. Did some quick, just some quick braids to freshen it up. Come and wash it this weekend, so it don't matter. Right, Kayla? You ready for school?
Yes.
But I'ma do her hair before she go to school. This just something quick right here. You ready to go to school, Tone?
Yes.
I'm gonna show y'all what is they doing. They got the doll baby over here. Look what they doing. She called herself washing this doll baby hair. I mean, like, they just making a mess. Y'all gonna clean that mess up, cause I'm not gonna do her hair right now. It look okay, and then again I might end up doing it, but right now I got this headache and I'm just letting them play, but they making a mess. She called herself washing this doll hair, but they're gonna clean all the water and everything up when they finish. Kayla back to playing with her stuff, so yeah. This just a chill day. Their daddy just bought them a box of chips from the store, and there your thing grabbing already. Kids got the big pizza dinner box. Yeah. I got me some crabs. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.